So in this Instagram tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add music to an Instagram story here on Instagram. So once you have Instagram open up on your device, simply press on the home button on the bottom left so that now you're at your home screen. Now to add to your story, go to the top left and press on your story. Press on that right there. Now, as you can tell, my recent photos are all black. That's why it looks like this. So if I just wanted to press this option right here, I now have a blank, just regular black screen for my story. But if you wanted to add music, pretty simple. This top bar right here, I want you to press on the musical note. So right in between the stars and the sticker, press on the musical note. Then once you're in this screen, you can just go ahead and just go to the For You page. You can go to the Browse page. You can search. So if you wanted to do Taylor Swift, for example, you can type in Taylor Swift. And there you go, a whole bunch of different options you can select from there. So once you find the song that you want, you can just select it. And there you go. That is how to add music to an Instagram story here on Instagram. I hope this video helps. Thanks again for watching.